Hey there. In this video, we'll show you how to view old Instagram bios. This is a useful feature if you want to see your previous bio information or check what your friends or competitors have had in the past. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the 3 stacked lines button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, you'll want to tap on Your Activity, which is represented by a clock icon. Then, scroll down to the How You Use Instagram section and tap on Account History. Once you're in the Account History section, you'll see a list of all the changes you've made to your Instagram account. This includes changes to your bio, profile picture, and other account information. To view your old Instagram bios, simply scroll down and look for the Bio section. You'll see a list of all the bios you've used in the past, along with the dates they were active. If you want to see the changes made to a specific bio, simply tap on it. This will show you the previous bio as well as the date it was active. You can go back as far as you want to see all of your previous bios. It's important to note that this feature is only available if you've had an Instagram account for a while. If you're a new user, you won't have any account history to view. By following these simple steps, you can view old Instagram bios and see all the changes you've made to your account over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials on Instagram and other social media platforms.